So we got squeaking noise here under the carpet. I'm not sure if you can hear it from here on this video, but this one's pretty bad. This one's pretty bad. So it's actually only on this side of the room, and the rest is fine. Here, just a little bit, and this side has a little more. So we actually are gonna try to fix it with a cabinet screws, 8x2. It comes with the T10 head. So we're gonna try with this. Just on the carpet, we're gonna screw it through the carpet, and we got a hammer drill and then stud finder. We actually had a same problem here in this wardrobe. Close it. We had the same problem here, but the contractor fixed it, so I'm gonna try to fix the other side on my own. And he said when he removed the carpet here, the screws were loose. That's why it wasn't making a squeaking noise. So let's see. Now we'll have to find the floor joist here so we can screw the screws. Seems like this spot is loose compared to here, so a little loose. So our sensor is not working, stud finder is not working. I tried different ways. It doesn't have a deep scan, so I'll probably have to go to Home Depot to get a deep scan one. This one doesn't have that option, so I couldn't find the joist here, but I can do it with a hammer. This is a hollow noise, and this is solid noise. So I can try it like this, or I can get a sensor. So I only have a choice here because this side is hollow, this one is solid and hollow. So I only have a choice here. So I'm gonna try. Let's put the screw in here. Just gotta make sure that the fibers don't get tangled here. So I have to open that up like this and then just go through. It's like this. Just have to screw it a little more, and then goes pass through the carpet and then the padding underneath. Just went through it, so you don't see the screw here. Went through all the way. I'm gonna check out the squeak. Looks like it helped a little bit here. This side is still not good. I'll try to find a stud here, joist here. Got this stud finder for 20 bucks from Home Depot. 19 something change. It's got a deep scan. And I'm gonna try to find the joist with this. So if you have the stud finder, just make sure you put the right battery, otherwise it doesn't work. So I tried with a zinc battery, it doesn't work. But the instruction says it's just gotta be alkaline, so I don't know it makes that much difference. So here. See, works fine. So yeah. So I put this down to a deep scan and then press it firmly. But let's see where I'll find the lightly goes out, comes back. It's right here. Okay. Got the second one in there. Let's see. Help a little bit. Looks like we're gonna need more. So this one is done. No squeaking noise. Yep. Very good. Yep. We can dance over here. We can run over here. We can walk over here. The first one is done. So we have to do the whole room now. So we did several dozens of screws here. So now no squeaking noise. So we did all the way from here to here to here. So we got just a little bit of noise here and there, on and off, but it's not that much. So we'll have to remove this. And then drawers, so just to check underneath. So overall, everything is good. Yeah, just make sure there's no pipe underneath and there's no electrical work or HVAC. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, as I'm trying to grow my fan base, my audience, and actually we're gonna learn together. So I'm still learning how to improve a home. So, and currently working on my rentals too. So still learning a lot of things, and I'll share my experience about home improvements. Thank you.